Hello, I'm Sean. I've been teaching Latin, Greek and classical civilization for over 35 years. I hold a PhD and I've taught at schools and universities in the United Kingdom and in the United States. I'm also an examiner for OCR and for Cambridge International A-Level, so I know exactly how to prepare students for success. I specialise in helping students prepare for the Common Entrance and Scholarship exams, including Eton, Westminster, Winchester and Harrow, as well as for GCSE A-Level, AP Latin and for university level study. My lessons are structured, my lessons are personalised, my lessons are grammar-based. I teach students to read confidently, to translate fluently, and to think clearly about the language. If you or your child want to make real progress in Latin or in Greek, in both, I'd be delighted to help. Get in touch to book a trial lesson.